Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. Today, we'll be doing something completely different. We will be making paella. Fun fact about me, I don't know how to cook. So this is my first time cooking something that seems complicated. With it saying like it's cooked in like 15 minutes. Shouldn't be that hard, right? So yeah, without further ado, let's cook some paella, baby. First things first, let me tell you the ingredients that you'll be needing. You'll be needing this thing by Master Foods. Basically just needing one pan. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, just one pan and it gets cooked in 15 minutes. Next up is chorizo, salami. I like to get this block. It was a bit cheaper. Capsicum. A nice juicy badusi capsicum, a red one if you have. If you don't, green one should be fine. Tomato paste, no added salt. That's what it was saying in the ingredients, like it says just add. It says no added salt, so that's what I got. So if it says no added salt, you get no added salt. And finally, canola oil. It was also telling me to get peas, but guys, let's just be honest. I don't eat peas, all right? We don't eat peas in this household. So now that you know the ingredients, let's finally make paella, bro. Here are the basic instructions that you can follow if you don't want to follow me. So it just says heat oil in non-stick pan. So that's what we'll be doing first. We'll be taking a nice pan, if I can get one, like this one. This is a nice pan. Put it in. Let's turn the bad boy on. And we're just gonna put it at number 8 so it gets hot, nice and hot. And we're gonna fill it up with canola oil. I don't think it says put in too much. Chorizo canola oil spray. Oh, should be fine, right? It's just normal canola oil. Now that I feel like the pan is heated up, yep, it's heated up. We're gonna open up this bad boy and we're just gonna put like a nice teensy amount, all right? It's like a nice small amount. I think that's good enough. Let the oil get heated up on the pan. And that being said, let's get the other stuff ready. I actually want to try one of those edits that you know those guys do. So ready, set, and there you go. Wow. Simple as that. Did not take me 15 minutes to cut this capsicum, but guys, it is done. All right, so it's made in like nice little small cubes, I guess. That is easy to digest. I don't know. I don't even know what I'm saying at this point, but it says heat oil and add chorizo until beginning to brown. So I made a mistake. I shouldn't have cut this first. I should have cut the chorizo, but that is fine. Now that this bad boy is done, I'm just gonna put it on the side, just over here. Hopefully none of the oil splats. And let's just cut up the chorizo, baby. Now that the chorizo has been cut in edible slices, it's time to put it inside the oil that has been just getting warm, I guess. And without further ado, just put it in. Nothing should happen. It shouldn't start sizzling because it's literally on 1. But yeah, let's give it some time until it browns up. So you're gonna pump up the music, pump up the bass, get up to 7, and you're gonna get like a nice I don't know what this tool is called. I think that SpongeBob uses. You're gonna just use it to just move around this. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And there you go, already. Within seconds, the chorizo is being cooked up nicely. Let's see how the other side looks. Okay, I guess not. I guess it doesn't want to show me the other side. Add capsicum and cook for 2 minutes until softened. So that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna wait for it to get brown. You know, I always see YouTubers make food, like, you know, the NDL or the Beta Squad and stuff, and they have such a hard time.
Line a rectangle baking tin or roasting tray.
You know how to read? There's eggshells in ours.
I chunks this one, little salt in there to sabotage it.
Alright, come on.
Wait, you didn't even know.
Yo! See, I knew it. Oh!
Bro, if you put your mind to it, everything is easy, bro. If you just follow the instructions, it's just, bro, can you just tell me that? Bro. Oh my god. What? Oh. There you go. See? Simple as that. If I'm being completely honest with you, I think this is getting brown, so it is time to put in the capsicum. So you're just gonna... Oh my god. Oh my god. You're gonna lower this to number 4 so it doesn't get cooked too quickly. Otherwise, you know, it's gonna get overcooked, and you don't want that. Now that it's been cooked for 2 minutes, we're gonna put in, what does it say? Really load up for me now. Add tomato paste and water to pan, mix well, and simmer for 1 minute. So we need 1/4 cup of water and 1 tablespoon of no added salt. That's where the sachets come in. So each sachet comes with 2 tablespoons. So that's all, we don't need that. We need 1 tablespoon. So we literally need just half of this. So that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna put literally half of that. And using this trusty tool right here, we're gonna get a quarter cup. Yeah, quarter cup of water. So we'll do that right now. And guys, is it just me, or do you guys like using 2 different cutting boards? So one is for meat, and obviously one is for what's it called, like cutting vegetables. So red is meat, because you know red represents blood, and then white obviously represents purity. Now, because I touched the sink, I gotta clean this bad boy up. That's my mistake. And by the way, always be hygienic. Always wash your hands, wash your dishes, wash your clothes, wash your laundry. Literally wash everything, bro. Because if you don't wash the fruits and vegetables, you can get sick. I'm just saying, you don't want to be sick. Now that you can see the steam coming off of this, I'm gonna assume it's already 2 minutes, and everything seems a bit brown. So it is time to put in the tomato paste and this water. So let's do that right here. We're just gonna add in literally halves. Just half of the tomato paste. Like that. Simple as that. Alright, so that half is added in. Just leave it to the side for now. We're gonna get water, nice warm water from the sink. That should be good enough. This seems a bit sussy, but yeah, so there goes in the water. Put that in. Gonna mix it up, and yeah, looks like guys. It actually looks disgusting, but that's alright. That's alright. It's gonna look good. Trust me. Trust the process. It's gonna look delicious. I kid you not. It actually smells good. So, guys, if you are making this, and ladies, if you are making this, it smells delicioso, bro. It actually smells good. I can't wait to taste this. I'm not even joking. Alright. Anyway, so that is done. We're gonna open up the sachet because it's been 1 minute. We're gonna just pour it in, and we're gonna mix it up. Just like that. Simple as that, baby. Simple as that. Gonna mix it up nicely. Trust me, this is gonna be better than Nando's. So while this is being cooked nicely and smoothly, let's just clean up the kitchen. Let's just clean this area up so it looks neat and presentable. Because like, let's be honest, you never know if a guest comes to your house, they see you cooking up a delicious meal, but then they see that the kitchen's dirty, bro. Trust me, no one wants that. So let's clean up the kitchen. Let's clean up this area. Let's make it look nice and neat. And yeah, man, I'll see you guys when this thing is done. So that will be in roughly 3 minutes my time. For you, it'll be like right 3 minutes is up. The rice is nice and soft. Everything looks nicely blended together. It smells amazing. I lied before when I added the tomato paste and water. Looked a bit weird, but trust me, once you add the rice literally soaks everything up. Now it's just time to plate. And there you have it, baby. Look at this. Paella made. Yeah, that's about it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. As what the great Joshua Wiesman would say. It's time for a B-roll. Now that it's done, it's time to taste it. It's time to have a little snack, a little meal. Alright, taste test. Eating a paella that I made from scratch for the first time. Let's take a bit of the chorizo. Let's take a bit of the capsicum, and let's taste it. This bussin', bro. Actually really good. Final verdict after having the first taste of my cooked paella, which has been cooked perfectly. Guys, it is amazing. Chorizo has been cooked to perfection. The capsicum is nice and soft, but still tender and firm. You guys know what I mean. The rice is as soft as a bubble. but still has a crispiness of when it was first made as a beet or when it was in the fields. That being said, it is spicy as well, and it is fresh and hot. Not as good as Nando's though. Nando's is amazing. But yeah, for what you can make on your own is actually really good. So if you guys like this video, please do like and subscribe. I will see you on the next one. And yeah, man, bye guys, love you all and take care.